Hey Jason, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. Happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website here and figured I'd show you a short video for you all going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips that I'm going to be saying in this video and you can start using these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that we'll be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. And so content is everything that's on your website that you can visually read and see here. And it also includes every single photo that is throughout your website. The reason that it includes photos as well is because Google has the capability of seeing what they were saved as before they were uploaded. And content is vital because Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, and they also want to see what keywords are on your site. Google wants to make sure that they are connecting the correct businesses to the correct consumers, and so that's why they take a look at what is on your site there. A good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you do want those keywords embedded throughout there. And so one example of a keyword is Frederick Concrete. I saw that was one of the services you all provide. And so the first thing that populates is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs, and you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. I see that you do have one here, and so the next step would be to optimize it. So how do you optimize it? Well, there's a few things that you can do right away, and that would be being consistent with your 5-star reviews. That will really help. And then filling out everything on here as completely and accurately as possible, including this section here. And then the most time consuming are those citations. So all a citation is, it's your business name, the address if you have it here, and the phone number exactly as you have it listed on your Google business profile in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, and you want to make sure that you have more citations than your competitors. That way you're ranking in the top 3 and you're getting your share of that 30 to 40% of business that goes here. And if we scroll down, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. So the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And there are some ads here. Ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business there. So here we're at the bottom of the first page. Over 90% of people stay on the first page. And so it's vital to be on the first page as high up as possible so that you can get a share of that 60 to 70% of business here. And something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website. So I have your website plugged into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see the ratings, and this information is pulled from Google data. DR and UR is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. And so you have 0 and 0.3. And what makes up these ratings here are backlinks. And so right now you have 0 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 0 referring domains. All a backlink is it's one website that links to another one, and you want to have good quality backlinks here so that you are raising the DR and the UR numbers here. You want to have higher numbers than your competitors so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result there. That way Google sees that you have authority and trustworthiness to your site. And so the backlinks will boost this here. There are high quality backlinks that will bring these numbers up, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. Something that does go hand in hand with the ratings are keywords. So you have 4 keywords currently, and so it's important to make sure that you have good quality keywords on your site because you want to be found for what you would actually want to be found for here. So those go hand in hand. As of now, you have 0 monthly website traffic. And so we can do this exact same thing with every single competitor that you have. This was the #1 ranking website for the keyword Frederick Concrete. So this is who you would need to beat for that specific keyword. They have 0.4 and 7. What's making up their ratings here are 31 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains. They have 85 keywords on their site and 39 monthly website traffic. And so what we'd want to do for you, we'd want to add high quality backlinks to your website so that we're getting your ratings above your competitors, as well as adding those high quality buyer intent keywords. The reason I recommend buyer intent is because you want to have qualified leads, and then that ensures that you're getting quality people landing on your website from the beginning. We can take a look at every single backlink that your competitors have and link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you. And then we can take a look at all the keywords that your competitors are ranking for, and then anything that applies to you, make sure it's on your website. So here are some examples here. Frederick Concrete, 50 people are searching every single month. Concrete Frederick MD, 40, Maryland 60, 20. So you can see that this list keeps going here. And they have pages of these keywords down here. And so this is just scratching the surface because I know that you all provide several services with your company. So we'd want to make sure that we go through each service that you provide in every area that you provide services to, find those good quality keywords, make sure they're on your website, and also make sure you are ranking for every keyword that applies to you. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.